know what to think about this virus. Started in China, now everybody in America's hiding. There's no groceries cause people start to panic and buy it. The shelves are empty, the ones with plenty already stockpiling. Y'all making meetings, think it's funny. Wait a week till the riots, wait a month till the only way to eat is be violent. It's not the sickness that's scary, it's all the people who whiling. The government lying, they're trying to keep us calm through the silence. You know it's for real. Pharmaceutical giants don't have a cure that they can sell you, so now everyone's dying. There's no vaccines or medications made that can fight it. I guess it's time.
Boss, now I see this up now.
Guy, you don't understand. This one, you don't die finish you.
Funke!
I can remember my days. 2019.
It's 2019 never thing now.
Come on. Shut up there. What do you know? I'm
Jesus!
talking.
Sorry, yo.
As I was saying, I can remember my days. Once you sneeze, the person next to you will just say, bless you, or God bless you. And even if it becomes too much now, the person can just still give you his handkerchief to clean your face and your hand. Continue. Try. That was then, in those days. But now, virus of nowadays has now make it that once you sneeze, it don't finish you. Now World War III. Because your best friend, even your mama and papa, them go shift leave you for where you did.
Jesus is Lord!
Even hand sanitizer that you are very sure you people don't even have in the house. You just appear like that. And now they will not use to sanitize their hand and their body.
Jesus!
Remember, it's hand sanitizer, oh, not body sanitizer. Continue. And now, that handkerchief that you'll be expecting normally, they would have given it to you. They will now use it to cover your face.
Funke!
Okay, now tell me, Shetos is used to kill insects. So now, when in the world do you use insecticide to kill virus? It's corona mosquito. Will you keep quiet? It could not be ordinary granite that will be pressing the throat.
Jesus!
Kai. Like, it's an unbelievable something.
Ah, wow. Chai! Corona. So if now you know what you can do.
Me? What I can do again now? I don't just come out. What I can do again?
Okay now. Alright, now look at the goal.